Many couple come to us asking that, doctor, anyway we want to go for IVF, but can you guarantee me a genetically normal child? The answer for this is definitely we can't guarantee 100% genetically normal child, but yes, we do have certain genetic tests which can be done on the embryo to know about the genetic status. So I'll brief about one of the which we do most commonly when required. That is the PGT-A, pre-implantation genetic testing for aneuploidy. So what does this test do? Once the embryo forms, we will take few cells from the embryo, we will biopsy few cells from the embryo and send it for the genetic testing. So what do we do with this? So again, testing for the aneuploidy. That means aneuploidy means like difference in the number of chromosomes. So our body will have 46 chromosomes. That means 23 pairs we will have. So if there are either one or two chromosomes more or less, then we call it difference in the number of the chromosomes, which we label it as aneuploidy. So this kind of genetic testing will test the embryo whether any kind of aneuploidy is there or not in the particular embryo. So in which conditions we suggest doing for PGT-A. So the most common condition is elderly age. So as the woman ages more than 35 years, the chromosomal material of the oocyte, that means the egg, there is high chance of aneuploidy, which will finally give rise to aneuploid embryo also. So in age groups more than 35, particularly more than 40, there is very high percentage of chromosomal aneuploidy. And the second indication where we suggest people to go for this test is like previous recurrent pregnancy loss or previous recurrent implantation failure. That means multiple times good quality embryos were transferred into your uterus, but still you are not able to conceive. Then you can go for getting this testing. Or previous miscarriage resulting from aneuploidy in the products of conception. All these conditions you can get PGT-A done, and after that the embryo which is genetically normal, you can directly ask your doctor to put that into your uterus, so that the number of transfers will reduce and the agony and the pain because of the failure or the miscarriage will definitely reduce. Thank you.